It's Valentine's Day. Today we are going to show you how to get a slick back hairstyle. It's a little bit messy. Nicoline, she did a great job in the studio. I hope Justus, the model, he is pumped up for his Valentine's date. It's tomorrow and we hope to give you some inspiration as well. In the end of the video, we will reveal the winners of the limited edition Gold Digger wax. And for your chance to get one as well, please comment in the comment section down below and let us know what you are up for this Valentine's Day. And also give it some likes, some shares and some love.
You can see Justus has a little bit of a spot here. It doesn't mean that it has to be gray hairs. It can be because there is a birthmark or something else. So it kind of like changes the color of the hair.
To mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. For the love, I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. For the love. I'm in it for the low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux with you through it all, winter through the fall.
Now I'm taking the sidekick just to pre-style the hair, and we got some heat protection in it as well. So when we're gonna air dry it, it's gonna protect the hair from the heat. And I think I'm gonna use a few pumps here because we have to have a lot of hold to it. And now I'm taking my skeleton brush.
I'm
Now I'm using the Silver Fox because it is a little bit softer than the other waxes, so it's easier to get through the top. Make sure to get a lot of volume when you air dry it. It's better to have more volume, and then you can take some of the volume out of it when you put the wax in it. I'm gonna use the sidekick to take some of the small flyers here.
You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
I'm in love with the result of the hairstyle. Nicoline nailed it, and I hope you guys liked the inspiration as well. If you don't, I don't mind, but I think that's great. Also, remember to leave your comments and give the video some likes. And the winner, it's amazingly Iron Pop. It was also the same winner as last time. I feel like we need to draw a new one, but here's the rules. Get the most likes on your post. He's writing, I'm amazed to see the process between before and after. It seems so relaxing. With the song, it almost felt like I was there. This makes me want to go get a haircut. So, congratulations. If you want to win some products, then get the likes on the video up. For every 1,000 likes we have, we'll reward you with one product. So if it has 1,000 likes, you will have one product. 10,000 likes, you will have 10 products. So get the likes up. All you have to do is comment down below so we can pick you as a winner as well. See you guys in the next episode. And happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Have a happy Valentine's Day.